Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to run a script in GitHub. So actually, we are coding in Eclipse, and we have the code also pushed to GitHub. So if you execute in GitHub itself, so that will be more efficient one. So if you have a simple script, we can just use GitHub that is providing that is be freely hosted up to some quantity, so we can use that. So you don't want to prefer Amazon, AWS, or a Google Cloud Service or Azure for some complex, for some simple programs. So let us see how to do that. So this is the Maven project I have created, GIT Actions, in which this particular folder I have the code. I have my Chrome driver for 134 here. So the current Chrome version is 134, so I'm using the driver here. And this is the program. So let me open it. So here it is a simple program. I'm just opening a Chrome driver and I'm going to google.com and just getting the page title. So intention is to run the script in the GitHub Actions. So let's see how to do that. One more thing is, so it will not allow the browser to open. So we need to open the Chrome as a headless one. So I'm setting the options as headless, and I'm providing that in the Chrome driver here. Okay. So we need to run the Chrome driver in the headless mode in GitHub Actions. So let me show you the GitHub. So this one I have already committed to the repository. So this is my repository URL, and this is the repository name I have. So here I have committed the code. So where our script actually will run is here in this actions tab. So here you need to create a workflow, and that workflow you need to associate in the existing code so that it will run. Let me show you how to do that one. So here you need to click new workflow. I need to go for a simple one. So I'm then committing the changes. So this is the YML file will get created. Let me name it as test.yml, and I'm committing the changes. So once this has been done, so we need to again pull this code inside our local Eclipse. So what I need to do is I need to go to Eclipse, then I need to pull those code, team, and then pull. So once you pull that one, you can see these options here. GitHub, the workflows you can see here. So the previous workflow I created in this name, so I'm going to use this one. So in this workflow, I'm going to make the changes. So let me show you that. So what it actually do is, so it will set a cron job to run at a specific time, and it will run the Maven test. So before running this one, make sure like your pom.xml, you are able to execute the Maven test, so that in the GitHub action also we are going to use the same. So we should make sure that Maven test is running. Use this option and test your script before going to Git Actions. Okay, let me explain this code, actions.yml. So I was set on scheduler to run at this particular time for weekdays from Monday to Friday. Okay, so here is the actual code to run. So this is Maven test. So this particular script command will run the Maven test for us. What I have additional is I'm going to set up a Java 17. So for that we are using this command, and I'm going to install the Google Chrome, that is latest. That will find from this google.com the particular stable version, and it will use it. And the current Chrome driver version is 134, and I'm going installing it that also. So once the Chrome driver version got changed, so we need to again change it to 135. So if you have some common URL where you can download the latest Chrome, you can use that. So this is the explanation of the code. Just if you want to run a Maven test, just this command is enough. You don't want to schedule and all, just this is enough. So we are asking to run it in this particular OS. Okay, so this is the YML file we have created. So once all this has been created, again commit this to the GitHub. So once this has been committed, you can see the actions workflow here. Okay, so this is the one I have created. Here the run one workflow option we can see, so we can run this and test. To make this as run workflow to enable, you need to add this particular code, workflow dispatch, so that it will manually triggers the workflow. If not, you will not get this option. Okay, so let me try running this one. So GitHub is providing this particular option to run our test here in GitHub. Let me open this. Okay, so now it's installing the Google Chrome. Then it has to install the Google Chrome driver. Actually it is 134. Then it needs to run the Maven test. Okay, so Chrome driver got installed. Okay, so the Maven test got completed. Let us see the logs. So every time it will depend, it will download all the dependency from the POM. So it will be taking this much logs. Okay, so here is our test. So we are able to successfully print the title of Google. So our script has run. So this is 134 version it has used. The browser version is 134. Okay. Okay. So that's all. This is how we need to run test in GitHub Actions. Thank you.